Ali in the chair, and he's got a performance coming up.
Very
so we
soon.
need to do a specific look for that performance. He wants to keep most of the length, but wants to get rid of the sides at the back here. So if we turn around and have a little look, it's very long at the back. So we want to bring it down to maybe to his neckline, and on top, just going to give it an even trim throughout. And he said he wants to push it to the side like this, something like this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Fantastic. So this is going to be all scissor cut through, and yeah, I'm just going to give it a nice modern, and we're going to clean up the facial areas, everything like that, make it nice and neat. All right, let's get on with it. Perfect. So this is my first guide. I'm separating the sides from the top and the back to the side. So all this length I'm going to work till about the ear line, just halfway through the ear, and then I'm going to layer that all in. So that's to the ear, that's my first guideline, that's what I'm going to work with. Front, then we can see our guideline here. Comb it right out and we follow the guideline. Perfect. Nice neck strength from Ali. Holding the head in place, perfect. So if I pull the hair, I want you to keep your neck nice and still, perfect. Sections, so we can see our guideline, we see it there, and then we cut straight out into a square shape, and we cut. And we got our last section. Pull this straight out. There's our guideline. And we're cutting. I want you to keep your head there. Perfect. And we want to get rid of these bits just by point cutting them in. I've got something like this that sits on the ear nicely. Now we work on the back section, so we separate the top from the back. Ali, how are you feeling?
I'm on.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, first thing I'm going to do is cut the line at the bottom. So I want you to put your head down slightly. Perfect. I'm going to bring it down to the neck. I'm going to cut this line in. Just going to point cut this line in place. separate the side to the back from this side. Bring this all down. You okay?
Yeah.
Now that we've cut our lining, we're going to now graduate all this. So we're bringing it right back out. Take a section from the other side. Take a section from there. And then we bring it out. See where our guide line is. Guide line. Guess up.
See the skill and art you've developed. Get a haircut.
Yeah, it is far away. You came from Baker Street.
Yeah.
Is-
And then you were the only. The pair. Fuck ho gaya man.
Crazy thick hair.
Oh, yeah, very thick.
Go away. Where is it?
It's in the cockpit theatre.
Oh, boy, this guy's sending me some talking about.
नहीं.
Paid performance का मिलेंगे अब
इसके-
to wherever his performance is. Doing now is connecting everything together. I'm picking up hair from the side and I'm picking hair from the top, and I'm literally just connecting it all together, removing extra weight and making it all sit nicely. So I've done my outer shape and inner shape, and now it's just connecting it all together. Beautiful. करने दो तो फिर देखते हैं.
तो मुझे ना somewhat उसके स्टाइल
Yeah.